Greetings from Taughannock Falls State Park in New York. We just parked the car and we're like 10 seconds away from the car, standing at the falls overlook, and it is gorgeous already. Here we go. It was snowing and raining a little bit this morning, so this trail is super muddy, but we are very excited to see Taughannock Falls. This trail is supposed to be about 3.5 miles. It is ranked on all trails as easy, and it's pretty easy so far, but it's an out and back, but it definitely takes you to the base of Taughannock Falls, and we are so excited to see it, because from the overlook at the top, it looked pretty fantastic. We just got our first peek of the waterfall straight ahead, and it is everything we expected, plus more. This is amazing. I am definitely in awe of Taughannock Falls. This place is incredible. We really lucked out right now because we have Taughannock Falls all to ourselves right now. There's no one else here. This view is absolutely magical. We don't want to leave. We just left the falls right now, and I would just like to point out how disgustingly dirty Tucker and Chase are. We're just wrapping up the trail now. We made it back to the falls overlook, and we definitely recommend this trail. This is definitely an underrated state park, so if you have a chance, definitely check out this state park and this trail. We hope you guys enjoyed the video. We will see you guys on the next adventure.